Okay, so have you ever just looked up at the stars and been like, what is this all about?
Oh, yeah, all the time. Who hasn't?
Right, like what is the point of the universe?
Exactly.
Well, today we're going deep on that very question.
All right, sounds good.
We're diving into some seriously mind-bending excerpts from pasted text, exploring the cognitive-theoretic model of the universe.
Yeah, the CTMU, right?
Yep, CTMU, it's a mouthful, but the ideas are pretty wild.
They really are.
So to break it down, I've got you here.
Uh-huh. Happy to help.
So let's start big picture. What's the CTMU's main takeaway about the universe's purpose? Like, if I could only remember one thing about this whole theory, what should it be?
Okay, well, the CTMU basically says the universe isn't just a bunch of random stuff happening for no reason. It's not just static. It's actually a system.
A system. Okay.
Yeah, and it's a system that's actively trying to understand and complete itself.
Whoa, okay, a self-completing universe. How does that even work? I mean, did the universe, like, have a mind of its own?
That's kind of the idea, yeah. It's like a giant puzzle that's always working to put all its pieces together, you know?
I kind of see that.
Yeah.
But we're talking about more than just physical stuff fitting together.
Right, exactly. It's about the universe realizing all of its potential, not just physically, but like mentally or, well, every way possible.
Whoa. Okay, so the universe is learning, growing, and trying to understand itself. So where do we fit in?
That's a great question, and that's one of the really cool parts of the CTMU. It says that our minds, like our thoughts and feelings, aren't separate from reality.
That's interesting.
Yeah, they're actually part of the universe understanding itself. It's like, imagine the universe as a giant language.
Okay.
And every thought, every feeling we have, it's like adding a new word to that language, making it more complex and nuanced.
Okay, so my thoughts are like building blocks for the universe's understanding.
Yeah, that's one way to look at it.
That's pretty mind-blowing. But the CTMU also talks about something called transcendence. What does that mean?
So transcendence in the CTMU means the universe isn't just bound by the laws of physics as we know them. It's constantly pushing beyond those limits to achieve higher states of being.
Okay, so if universe is like leveling up, what's pushing it to do that?
Well, the CTMU says there are like these cosmic rules that guide the universe's evolution toward greater complexity.
Huh, cosmic rules.
Yeah, they call it meta-causality. It's like the underlying code driving the whole system.
Okay, so meta-causality is like a set of rules pushing the universe to evolve. But if the universe is just following rules, what about free will?
Well, that's where things get really interesting. The CTMU suggests that our choices, our intelligence, all play a vital role in the process.
Oh, okay, so we're not just pawns in some cosmic game then.
No, not at all. It's more like we are active participants in the universe's evolution. Each decision we make adds to the complexity of the whole system.
So if we zoom out from the individual to the universe itself, it sounds like the CTMU is saying the universe actually has a purpose, a reason for existing.
Yeah, that's a core idea. It's about self-realization, understanding, and achieving its full potential.
That's a big thought. So where does that leave us? If the universe is striving for something, does that change how we view our own lives and our purpose?
I don't know, what do you think? Does it?
I'm not sure, but it definitely makes me think. I mean, if this massive universe is driven by a purpose, maybe we should be thinking about our own role in all of this.
Yeah, I like that.
I think that's a perfect note to end on, actually. We've taken a pretty deep dive into the CTMU today, but it's clear there's so much more to explore.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So, to our listeners, if the universe itself has a purpose, what does that mean for you? What's your role in the grand scheme of things? Lots to think about, right?
Absolutely.
Well, thanks for exploring this with us. And until next time, keep looking up and keep asking those big questions.
Always a good idea.